For our thesis project, we created a new game called Egg Hunting. Before we can start playing the game, we have to log in into our account. Of course, new players can be registered via the register menu. For the purpose of this video, we have already created a new account. Once logged in, we are presented with the main menu. The main menu is very self-explanatory, so we will just go ahead and continue towards the game. We are now in the calibration screen. In the calibration screen, we can choose between either a lunge exercise or a squat exercise. Depending on the type of the exercise, we can choose either the left or the right leg to perform the exercise with. This is only for the lunge exercise. With the squat exercise, both legs are automatically used. Next, we choose the difficulty setting. We can choose between either easy, medium, or hard. Choosing this difficulty setting will influence the amount of birds in our game. What this means exactly will be shown during the game. Next, we enter the number of motions. This is the total amount of exercises that the player has to perform correctly in order to finish the game. Next, we will calibrate the angle at which the exercise has to be performed. We can now start the game. We are now playing the game. The game is played by performing the exercise that is calibrated in the calibration screen. Once we started performing one of the exercises, a green loading bar will be shown on the screen, indicating how long the exercise has to be performed. Depending on how well the player performs an exercise, the message on the right hand of the screen will change. Right now, an incorrect exercise was performed, so the message is adapted towards it. New eggs are collected for every correct exercise, and this is indicated in the top left corner of the screen. Once we encounter a bird, we have to perform the exercise in less than 5 seconds and perform it correctly. Performing an incorrect exercise will wake up the bird and deduct one of our eggs. Performing a correct exercise will then advance us again to the next pillar. Once the required amount of eggs has been collected, the victory screen is shown. Here the player can see an evaluation of how well he has performed. We can see that 5 eggs have been collected, although 6 correct exercises were performed. This is because the bird deducted 1 egg. Also, 2 incorrect motions were performed. The data of the exercises is sent to the surrogate database and can be resent in case of an error using the reconnect button. Now, we can either start a new game or return to the main menu.